Hey, Bub, we're right here in front of the brand new Bubba's Exotic Motorsports Lake Park facility. And this is the new BEM 2009 Hummer H2. Tell us about it, man.
So yeah, man, so this is one of those GM vehicles from like the mid 2000s. You know, there was like the Avalanches, there was the Cadillac Escalades, there was the Hummer H2.
Yeah.
All of those General Motor based vehicles, and not just in GM, but probably the #1 brand that had this issue.
Right on, man.
Where you had those black plastics, right? And I'm talking all the way through today's vehicles and rides. Everything comes with some sort of black plastic, and naturally those things wear and fade in the sun over time. And it doesn't matter if you're here in beautiful South Florida when it's 80 degrees in the wintertime, or if you are anywhere in the entire world.
It's very hard on the
Things fade and they turn white. They don't look black anymore. They don't shine up. So you have options. One, you can try to locate and source from the dealership brand new plastics and spend thousands of dollars.
Very expensive.
Right? To just pull those parts off, replace them, stick them back on. They'll have that new shine again, and it won't last for so long.
Yeah, man.
Or you can go to something like Bring Black back.
The Bring Black back. Bub, you've been working with this solution for about 14 years now. It is the only black restoration product you will use.
Yeah.
It is made by Solution Finish out there in California. Chris West owns the company. Why is it you have been exclusive to this product when there's everything else on the market, man?
So this thing is amazing, man. It's silicone free, and as you know, in the paint and body world, which we do a lot of custom one-off paint and body stuff, you cannot have any silicones around it because you will cause a lot of problems when you go to do any sort of paint repair, correction, any of that stuff can cause a lot of trouble. So you want to make sure you have something silicone free and also does what it's supposed to do. And there are other companies out there that say that they bring this stuff back, but typically after one car wash, it's gone. Not the case with this. It stays, it lasts, it looks amazing, and I think you're going to go ahead and apply some of this to this flat black.
I was going to apply it to the chrome grill.
That's not where it goes. You put it on the black plastics, the stuff that has a texture grain that looks like it's whitened out. So go ahead, let's see what this thing does.
I'm going to work, Bub, with from here over to this side here.
Let's see this sucker do some magic.
All right, so let's put a little bit on here, Bub, just like this. We can see it's on there and watch the magic.
Look at that.
Okay? This is how the magic happens, ladies and gentlemen. This product, now Bub,
You're rubbing with force right now too. I can hear and see the force you're rubbing on, and it's not wiping off as you're.
Hey, Bub,
Jesus.
Never mind the producer's shoes. It's okay.
You a little dabble through you guys.
Exactly.
This guy just shot half the bottle out on Matt's leg.
I sure did, but Matt's used to it dealing with us. So I'll kind of draw a delineation line right there, Bub.
And that's about all we're going to put on this Hummer for the next 6 months, and we'll just ride around like that for a little bit.
And we can see, ladies, I mean, it's just that simple. I mean, it's no more complicated than that. And there it is, Bub. We can see the difference between the two areas here and here, Bub.
And that's it. You can literally come back to this thing in 30 minutes, completely dry. You can touch it with your hands. You can rub your clothes on it. It will not leave black all over any part of it.
It doesn't. And Bub, so Bub, this is the preferred solution you use to bring black back.
Yep.
It is the only one you will personally endorse as one of the top 3 in the industry today.
That's it.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's it. Solution Finish is bringing black back one at a time, Bub. Done?
Bubba style.
Bub style. Crazy how that works, isn't it, Matt? Stuff works so nice, man.
Thing does.
So, Bob, before I do the installation, tell us, please, there's a couple things you want to do to ensure that you're applying the product properly. Could you step us through those things?
Well, simple. You know, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and start with a clean surface. So this vehicle, as you can see, the ground is wet, has already been washed this morning. It's actually going through full detailing, and it will be full coated. So it's going to have clay bar process done. It's going to have paint correction done to it. It's going to have ceramic coating on it. It's going to have the full 9 done, the full works in this thing, because it is something that has some fine foils on it, some contaminants. So we are going to go through and do all of this stuff to it. You guys will see that as we go through and do it. But we want to start with a clean surface, and that's exactly what we're working with. Clean surface now, soap and water, no tarnish, no bugs, no crap glued into the front of it. We're working with the clean, ready to go surface prep. And now what we're going to do is, as you see, you have your glove on. You are going to make sure you want to wear gloves when you work with this stuff. It will stain your skin. It's not like it's permanent, it will come off, but you just want to work with a clean environment. Then you're not going to carry it inside the car, maybe open the door handle on the inside of the handle, the inside of the car, the ignition switch, the steering wheel. By the time you're done, the shift knob, the
Carpets,
sun visor, because you
headliner,
pull the sun visor down, it's like it freaking gets everywhere, right? So start with gloves, and you're going to use a microfiber. Simply install it, wipe away.
So Bob, once we go ahead and install or wipe the product on, it is, you can see, in a nice convenient little squirt style bottle right here. So it's very easy to control. It doesn't come out in big clumps or anything like that. Once we go ahead and install this, and you shake it up, Bob. And Bob, the other thing that I think is easy to note, microfibers are very absorbent. You can see that it doesn't take much to do the job properly.
Yeah, you put a lot.
Right? And it doesn't get all over your gloves if you do it properly as well.